Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and healthy breakfast, and this is called overnight oats, and here I have made it in a bowl. You can make it in any container and keep it overnight. Just add your toppings in the morning and it's ready to go. This tastes so amazing and takes no time to make, and this is the no cook recipe. Here I have shared two ways of how to make it. One is overloaded fruits and the other one is nutty chocolate banana. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first, to make the overloaded fruits one, in a bowl take 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and mix everything well. I forgot to add the vanilla essence, so I am adding half teaspoon of vanilla essence right now and giving it a mix. Now cover using aluminium wrap, or you can also using a plate, and keep it in fridge overnight or for 3 to 4 hours. For making the chocolate one, in a bowl take 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and half teaspoon of coffee powder. Here also I have added cinnamon powder, but this is optional. Also add half teaspoon of vanilla essence and give it a mix. Mix till the cocoa powder is completely combined. Cover with aluminium wrap and also keep this in refrigerator overnight or for 3 to 4 hours. So first let's add the toppings for the fruity one. Add your choice of fruits. Here I have added strawberries, kiwi and blueberries. You can also add apples, pomegranate seeds or banana if you want. I have also added some chopped nuts like almonds, raisins and black raisins. For the chocolate one, I am topping it up with chopped banana, walnuts, almonds and raisins. So the best part about these overnight oats bowls is that you can customize it any way you want, and this will taste different according to the toppings you add to them, and these taste so amazing. You can never believe this is healthy, and you can kickstart your day using these. These are so amazing. The oats taste so good. They are super moist and soft, and it goes perfectly well with the fruits. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.